Ain't nobody in there. Hey, look out, man. I ain't know if nobody was in there. You finna run him? Ooh. A la chingada. Okay, let me holler at him real quick.
1347.
434 dispatch. Hey, man, what kind of car do you have, dude?
It's a 5.3 truck, work truck, you already know.
All right. How much horsepower are you pushing?
Like 300.
All right. Any nitrous?
A little bit.
All right. How long have you had it?
Like 2 years.
Nice. What transmission are you running?
4060 with broken fourth gear.
Holy shit, dude. Nice, man. What are you looking to run today in this thing?
Probably like a 9-second. 9-hole.
Sweet. Well, good luck, dude.
If the weather's right.
All right.
Yep.
So you got that intake?
I got that.
Okay, he got that intake, y'all. We're going to see your next pass and see how you do. Who you running that same truck?
I'm gonna race this Trackhawk right here.
Oh, man. He done messed up now. You got any bow tones on here like y'all finna bet or anything? Oh yeah, I need to bet with him, man. What year is this? This a 18? And they got that intake?
No, I ain't got nothing.
Oh, you ain't got nothing done to it? Yeah, he got some stuff over there, man. I'm trying to make sure I place my bet correctly, but you ain't done none of this one? They're still under warranty then. That's good. Damn. He ain't did nothing, y'all. Let me holler at the chat, man. I got a YouTube channel and a Twitch channel called Lookout Racing, man. You can check it out. I'm gonna have the race on there. But we finna figure out who finna win this one, y'all. Come on, tell me something. Talk to me quick, not sleep. Somebody call me. Oh, this the other washing machine. Yeah, this a good spot right here, man. They already hot. Wash them good, baby. Get them stuff. Ooh. A la chingada. Okay, scoot up a little bit. Yeah. That thing, I'm trying to grab, ain't it? That thing trying to grab, ain't it, man? My bad. Twisted Vent, man. Why you say you named yourself Twisted Vent? You was a veteran. I mean, yeah. I didn't care you somebody else's name. My bad, I'll be back, man. I wanna. Oh, it don't red light. Oh, he coming, y'all. Oh, it look like he coming. Oh! Right lane, man. That old truck stayed out there, man. You seen that? That was a good race, man. That was too good, man. Wash them up with the suds and everything, man. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.